Hello, my dear learners, how are you? I think that you are well. I am also well by the grace of Allah. You know that everybody is panic about COVID-19. If you follow the instruction of health, then Allah can save us. However, I am going to teach you about articles. The word articles is French word. It has come the Latin word articulus. Articulus means effort. Okay, first one, we have to know what is article. We know that A, N and D are usually called article. We can say another word, the word which is used before the noun to understand specific or unspecific is called article. We can say another way, articles are words that defines specific or unspecific. Article is of two kinds. One is definite article, another is indefinite article. Definite article, only the word which is used before noun to understand specific is called definite article. Indefinite article, there an. The words what are used before noun to understand unspecific is called indefinite article. Our task is to use the articles properly. Now we are going to know about the rules of using articles. Okay? Use of A. First one, when the word begins consonant letter, generally A is used before it. As for example, I have dash book. The book, last word, this word begins with consonant letter B. Understand? So A is used before it. Am I right? So article A is used here. I have a book. Okay? Number 2. When the word begins vowel letter O and it's pronounced like wa, then A is used before it. As for example, I have dash 1 taka note. Okay, the word one begins with vowel letter O. It's pronounced like wa, so A is used before it. Okay, I have a 1 taka note. Number 3. When the word begins with vowel letter E or U and it's pronounced like U, then A is used before it. As for example, he is dash European. Okay, EU is pronounced like U, so A is used before it. Okay, is a European. Am I right? Next, number 4, when abbreviation letter is used and it's pronounced like consonant letter, then A is used before it. As for example, he is dash BA. B. Its first pronunciation like consonant letter, so A is used before it. Okay, is a beer. Next, use of N. First one, when the word begins with vowel letter generally, then N is used before it. Am I right? As for example, I have dash apple. Apple. The word apple. First letter A. A is vowel. So N is used before it. Okay? I have an apple. Okay. Next. Number 2. When the word begins consonant letter but it is not pronounced, then N is used before it. As for example, he is dash honest man. The word honest man begins with consonant letter H, but it is not pronounced or uttered. H. Okay. A is pronounced from the O, vowel letter. So N is used before it. Okay. He is an honest man. Am I right? Number 3. When abbreviation letter is used and it's pronounced like vowel letter, then N is used before it. As for example, he is dash MSS. M. A plus M. A. First pronounced like vowel. A. So N is used before it. Okay? Is an MSS. I have given only 7 rules for using A or N. I think that if you memorize or if you remember these 7 rules, then you can use properly A or N. Understand, my dear learners? Now we are going to learn about using the or definite article. Use of the. The is definite article. It is used to understand the specific. Okay. The is used before any superlative degree. First one. I will discuss some rules about the rules of using the. Okay. First one. The is used before any superlative degree. We know that degree is of 3 kinds. They are positive, comparative and superlative. Okay. As for example, he is dash best boy in the class. Best is superlative degree, so this is used before it. Okay, he is the best boy in the class. Next, this is used before any famous book. As for example, dash Holy Quran. Quran is the famous book. So this used before it. Okay. Number 3. This used before any nation. As for example, dash Muslims are pious. Okay, Muslims is one kind of nation. So these used here. The Muslims are pious. Number 4. These used before the name of any newspapers. As for example, dash Inqilab. Dash Inqilab. Inqilab is the name of newspaper. So these used here. Okay. The Inqilab, the Ittifaq, the Daily Star, the Observer, and so on. Number 5. These used before noun of noun. Before noun of noun. As for example, dash gold of America is not well. This is noun. This is noun. Noun of noun. So this used before first noun. Okay. The gold of America is not well. Is not well. Number 6. This used before the name of any rivers. As for example, dash Podda dash Magna. Here is the name of Podda. This is the name of river. So this used before it. Okay, the Podda. Next, this used before the name of any tours. Before the name of any tours. As for example, dash north, dash south, etc. This is the name of tours. Okay, so these used here. The north, the south. Am I right? Number 8. These used before any head. As for example, dash president, the prime minister, the chairman, the principal, the headmaster. Okay, so these used here. Am I right? Number 10. Number 9. These used before any mountains and hills. As for example, the Himalayas. Okay. Number 10. These used before any vehicles. As for example, the Titanic. Okay. I have given 10 rules only. There are many rules also. So you have to memorize or remember all rule about all rules. I think that this class will be benefited for you. Thanks all. Thanks Almighty Allah.